If you're working in Photopea and want to keep your project editable for later, this is the best method to use. In this video, I'll show you how to download a Photopea project as a working file, so you can come back later and continue editing with all your layers, text boxes, shapes, and images intact. This is super useful if you are not finished yet and do not want to lose any of your progress. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure your project is open in Photopea and that everything you want to save is ready on the canvas. Once you're set, look at the top menu bar and click File. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, choose Save as PSD. This is the option you want if you want to save your work as a fully editable project file. After you click it, Photopea will immediately package your design and start downloading a .psd file to your computer. In most cases, this file will go straight into your default Downloads folder, so if you do not see it right away, check there first. The great thing about saving as PSD is that it keeps your layers separate, which means your text, shapes, and images stay fully editable. That way, if you need to make changes later, you won't have to start over from scratch. Now, when you want to continue editing your project later, simply open Photopea again in your browser and drag and drop that .psd file anywhere onto the empty workspace. Photopea will load the file and restore your project exactly where you left off. From there, you can keep editing, adjust your design, or export it in whatever format you need. So remember, if you want to download a Photopea project for future editing, always use Save as PSD. It is the safest and easiest way to preserve your work. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.